Good morning and welcome to the Legacy Lost Paradise radio show. And today we're going to do something interesting. This is a standard medium wave or AM loop antenna. You get these with your home stereos and whatnot. They usually come pre-packaged. And sorry about that. I have my fire scanner going in the back. This is a standard Sony one, and it just came with the home stereo receiver, and it's just it's got a little plastic base, folds down, and it's just got some wires looped around it. And this I just used is I have a particular jack here with a 1/8 plug, 3.5mm plug, and it's got two inputs. I was just fooling around with something, but disregard that as far as using it for that, unless you have a radio that has a plug for AM. The main thing is I do not really see any videos that explain to people how to use a loop antenna properly. And basically, you just want to keep this near a window or get it high as you can and away from any other transmitters, electronics, so on and so forth. And what you would do is basically you look at it and let me give you an example. Here's a radio here. So this is say that's your radio station that you're trying to listen to. Say it's north of here, for example. So you want to listen to this. So you got this and you want to figure out, how do I get this to get that? And this is an interesting thing. This does not pick up the electrical portion of the medium wave AM band. It picks up the magnetic, as it's a loop. It uses inductance to pick up, so it's less prone to noise. And most radios, AM radios, have a loop built in with a ferrite bar, and it's just a lot of windings. It's basically the same concept with a piece of metal going through it. And it's directional in two ways. It goes, it's bi-directional. You got, like, if you aim at a certain direction, it'll go front to back or side to side. And depending on where you're aiming at, you can use it called a null. And hold on one second, let me just, the fire thing's going off again. Must be getting busy around here this time of day. But anyway, this is made out of just like a thin plastic. You can probably just hang it on, like I said, it's probably about 3-4 feet of wire, so you don't get a lot of length on here to raise it up high or put it near a window. You pretty much got to keep it near the receiver. But anyway, the point I'm making is, see this here, think of it as like a tire, and you're rolling. You got to roll this like this way in a direction. So right now, if this is the radio station and this is the antenna, I'm not going to pick it up very good here. I'm in the null because I'm in the perpendicular plane. See what I'm saying? So right now, if this is the station I'm trying to listen to and you're aiming this is going to be exactly what you don't want to do. This is how you null it. To avoid that station, you would aim it this way. Now, if you want to get this radio station, you would take the antenna like so and just aim it at this station shown, and it will go, again, think of it rolling like this. You're rolling a tire right at the station, and this will pick it up this way. And this is not a single direction antenna, unfortunately. It also picks up here. So if this is north and you have this aimed toward the station, which is north, it's also going to pick up strong on the south equally. So it's a bi-directional. It's going to go north and south, and the east and west plane is going to be in the null. So anyway, this is the proper way to use and aim a medium wave loop antenna. Again, you want to aim this part here, the thin side, toward just like a tire. You want to roll the thing here. This would be right here. So that would be the way to aim it to your station, just like so. This is to null it, again, and this way to aim it. Hope that makes sense. And It's not really explained enough, but in certain places and the manuals where you get it. But highly, these are decent. They work okay for what they are. They're not the best. I will show you a better antenna on my next video. All right, thank you, 73s.